Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming what's broken and why. You need to act fast. Remove darts and unmount the board to inspect sisal fibers, wiring, and backing. Once you see bent staples or torn sisal, make a quick call, repair or replace the face. Secure the mounting bracket into a stud so repairs won't fail. Keep tools organized within reach. This prevents wasted time. You'll save effort later by choosing the right replacement parts now and by marking the 1.73-meter bullseye height precisely. You now perform the complex work. Remove damaged sisal or segments carefully and keep darts away. If you replace a physical face, peel the old layer, align new sisal, and staple or glue at even tension so the surface stays flat. For electronic boards, desolder connectors, replace LEDs, and verify 5 V-rails before reassembly. Once done, reinforce the back with thin plywood if staples pull through. Make sure to level and square the face relative to your bullseye mark before final fastening. You finish by remounting the repaired board and doing a structured test. Throw 10 darts, watch for bounce outs and misaligned segments. If scoring is inconsistent, loosen and retension the face or reseat wiring connectors. Electronics often fail at solder joints. Once done, clean stray fibers and recheck the bullseye height. Troubleshooting tip: if many bounce outs continue, confirm the board is firmly mounted to a stud. A loose mount changes impact angles and causes most repeat problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.